Test.
Lives right here, 107.3 The Eagle, Tampa Bay.
She was mine. Every morning I would see her waiting at the stop. Sometimes she'd shop and she would show me what she bought.
You took away my happiness, girl.
The sun, the ice was melting. No more sheltering now. Nice to think that that umbrella.
Test pass.